What's up and welcome to Gift Makumi BA channel. Today we are going to talk about best way to make money online as a broke beginner working in 2020. I've written a lot lately about getting rid of debts, reducing expenses. I thought it was time to address the flip side of your finances, ways to make extra money. More than ever, earning extra income can be the way to meet your financial goals. This could be goals like getting out of debt, saving, college, or simply having extra during the holiday and for gifts. I obviously haven't tried all of these methods, but when possible, I've tried to link to an example of the opportunity actually making money. You should be able to find something there here that fits you and your skills. Number one, Swagbucks. Swagbucks, you can earn points called SB just for watching videos, answering surveys, discovering special deals, shopping, or searching the internet. There is no limit to the amount of SB you can earn, and they can be redeemed for gift cards to all the top retailers like Amazon, Target, Starbucks, eBay included, or for cash. PayPal, Visa, gift cards sound too good to be true. Don't worry, Swagbucks is legit and safe. Check out Swagbucks review to learn more about the opportunities and to get their $5 bonus offer. Number two, deliver food for DoorDash. Being a food delivery driver is back in style. People all over the country are signing up to deliver food because it is easy money that can be made on your own schedule. This is how it works. When a person places a food delivery order from a restaurant, the restaurant notifies DoorDash that they need a driver to pick up and deliver the food. You might think restaurants have their own drivers, right? Wrong. Turns out outsourcing drivers to services like DoorDash is cheaper than hiring drivers and paying them to sit there and wait for orders to come in. As a driver with DoorDash, you get a notification when a delivery is ready in your area. It's up to you to go pick it up if you choose to pick up the food. The DoorDash app will provide you with the specific instructions on where to go, how to get there, customer name, etc. DoorDash pays a minimum of $10 per hour, but say driver earn $25 per hour on average. Maybe this could be a new side hustle. Number three, become a delivery driver with Postmates. Have you ever considered becoming a Postmate carrier? You can start delivering restaurant food, groceries, or other goods to customers for some great side money. Signing up is fast and easy. You don't even need a car if you live in that area and that doesn't require one. Best part, there are no required shifts and you get to keep all the tips you earn. Also, you have the ability to earn extra during blitz pricing, which is when it is especially busy, and the app encourages customers to leave a 20% tip. Number four, drive people to the airport. Have you ever heard of Lyft? Of course you have. This is a great earning opportunity for someone with a reliable car and the ability to navigate their city's streets. The main barrier to entry is having an approved car that is efficient to keep your costs down. But these all are stories of Lyft drivers making an extra $1,000 a week outside of their normal day. Job's not bad. Plus, this is a fun way to get to know your city, help tourists make plans, and get to know interesting people. Number five, Get $5 cash to start investing. There are plenty of ways to get started investing, and the one popular method is using an investing app such as Accounts and Stash. Accounts or Stash. We like Stash because they give you $5 cash just for signing up and investing $5. Once you download the app, you're asked to select a portfolio of stocks and ETFs because on who you are and what you care about. For example, you may be passionate about space exploration, or tech companies, or environmental conscious corporations. Next, Stash will recommend a portfolio. Then the app serves you a regular invest education articles, so you are learning as you go, and they only charge $1 a month. This is how Accounts works. Let's say you buy a coffee for $2.65. Accounts is synced to the bank's account or credit card and will automatically round the purchase up to $3. Taking the 0.35 and investing it in the stock market, it's a very painless way to save and build your wealth over time. You can invest your spare change for $1 a month. Sign up to Accounts for free. Accounts now also offers an account spend checking account. This takes the features of the other levels of Accounts and adds in a checking account with a debit card for $3 a month. You get the Accounts investment account, the latter account for retirement, and the spend checking account. It comes with free bank-to-bank transfers, free ATMs or free reimbursed ATMs nationwide, and no overdraft fees or minimum balances fees. Number 6, rent out your space. If you have an extra room in your house, consider listing it on Airbnb. Airbnb is one of the ways to travel for many people around the world. Instead of booking through expensive hotels, why not stay at someone's house as a guest? You can choose high-end to local end. Choose to stay with other people's or opt for privacy. And as a host, it's a great way to make side money, utilize unused spaces, and meet new people. How much can you earn depends on your area, so I recommend finding out by becoming an Airbnb host yourself. No extra rooms, beds, or couches for weary travelers to rest his head. No problem. You can still rent out another space, your parking space. Homeowners who live within walking distances or major tourist attractions or sports venue will often sell parking spaces in their driveways or on their lawns. But even if you don't live just down the road or in Indianapolis Motor Speedway or a major music festival, you may still be able to profit off a parking space. And why not park on the street while you rent your parking space to a neighbor? Sites like Just Park, Spot Hero can all help you find a renter for your premium parking spot, bartending or waiting tables. Both are the perfect jobs for nights and weekends. That's when all the big tips are made anyway. I should know. I waited tables in post-college days. Bartending at nights in a busy bar can really bring in some extra cash and is probably better than waiting tables. You can typically bring in at least $1 for every drink you serve. I recommend making a list of some of the nicest restaurants or bars in town you can find and start applying. You may need some experience first, but set your sights high, especially if you have work experience as a professional. And the same thing can be said for professionalism, dependability, and work ethic. Take legit online surveys. Number 8. Did you know you can get paid to do quick and easy online surveys? Here are a few websites you can get started. Opinion Outpost, price label, inbox dollars, and branded surveys. Thank you. That was all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to tune in every day because I'll be uploading a video each and every day. Thank you.